What's poppin', guys? Today I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to make a video on my RC car. It's going to do some stunts, and yeah guys, it will be awesome stunts. If it passes all these stunts, that's very nice guys. We'll be having so many stunts. Let's get started guys. And first, see this guys. I have a temporary tattoo. It's in dragon. Comment down below if you like that guys. I think it's awesome. So let's get started with this video. And here is our first stunt. This is a cushion. We are going to make a ramp through the table to the bed, and if it makes it, it's a very big success guys, because the cushions are very hard to go for RC cars, especially when it is mini RC cars. Mine is a bit mini, so yeah guys, it's all fine. There is the ramp. Here is my RC car. It's gonna take a full long run up, and let's see if we can come to here guys. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Whoa. Oops. That was not a success. Let's try again guys. As I said, it's very tough to do on the cushions guys. Let's try again. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh guys, findings I'm making. This is the last round. If it doesn't happen, we are going to move to next one. I think it's not getting. I think it's more space between the two and right. It's very big. More. And yeah guys, this is the awesome place. Yes, our setup. I have put the table here to the bed so it can go this time. Let's see guys if it can go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Guys, it made it, but it flipped over. But still, it made it guys. Let's see if it can come up again. Let's see this guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh no, it can't. Let's try 3 guys. Like the before stunt guys. Oops, no. Second try also, no. Let's see another. No, it can't make that, guys. Oops. Moving on to the next time. Another question. We are going to make it a double ramp, guys. That will be very hard, guys. That is very hard. I'm gonna say you now, guys. It's really hard. So we are going to come a little bit more near the bed. Yes, and now let's try to go it. 3, 2, 1. Let's make it, guys. Oops. Second try. 3, 2, 1. No. Third try. I'm going to try from here, guys. I think I have to give it a big push, and this we should be up. And this, that is awesome, guys. Let's see. Oh, it made it. It made it. It made it way, guys. See this guys, as you can see, it made its way. That's a very good thing guys. And yeah guys, moving on to the next one. I need to jump from the gap. The gap is not too much. The gap, let's measure the gap by let's measure the gap. I think it's less than 3 centimeters guys. It's 27 centimeter gap. We are going to make it like 20 centimeter. Next will be of 30 centimeters. 20. Here comes 20 guys. Guys, it's exactly 20 centimeter gap. Now we are going to try it. 3, 2, 1. It made it. That's easy. Let's see this if it can go backward. Backward, because if it goes backward, the speed becomes a little low, guys. Oh, oops. I just forgot I pressed front button. I fell front. But yeah, now I'm going to press back button. Let's see. Oh, guys, it made it. It was just going forward. Okay, now let's measure. I'm 30 centimeters, guys. See guys, the full two scales of 30 centimeter, and this is 30 centimeter gap. I don't think guys it can make it front ways also guys, because that's a very big gap. Nope. Then you can't make backward also, but let's try once. It's not make it forward. Oops, right my friend. Let's make it backward. Let's step backward. Come on, you can make it. Oops, because it fell down, guys. I got it. It was not going to come, for sure. If you want to see, I'm not going to sit here. See this one. I said it was not going to make it. But for the next one, we have a very big stuffed animal to climb. And there is a teddy bear full of stuffed garden. I don't think we can climb it or go down of it. Let's see first we can climb it or not. It can not climb it. I'm gonna save it guys. Oops, I did not climb it. As you can see guys, I'm pressing the forward button. And yeah guys, it cannot make it. See. It cannot make it. Let's see if it can make it towards down, guys. That will be nice. I think that it can make that. This. Yes, I think it can make that. I think so, guys. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Oops. No. Let's put the front in front and oh, the back one is also not happening. Let's put the back one in front and go. Let it go. Oh guys, it made it. It made it. Check this out guys. It made it. It made it guys. So I'm gonna put this head here. We're gonna move to the next stand. Let's move right here. The next stand is the last stand guys. And yeah, that will be a last stand. And I think that is very difficult. It will be a taped lamp. I have to go downwards and up. First it will go from the slow run up and it will go down. Then from down it will come at slow run up, it will come up. So that will be first. Then it will come to the high level. It will come from long run up and it will jump guys from the tape ramp. That will be a little difficult. I think I have this tape ramp. Yeah, I have the tape ramp. And let's see if it can stick. Oh. Right. Oh. No, guys. Oops. The tape ramp is not working properly, guys. Oh, I think it's guys. Let's put this right here. This one will come right here. Yes. Put this right here. Stretch the table. And this one to go back. Oh, what happened? What happened? I think we're gonna make a new ramp, guys. This ramp is not looking nice. We're gonna make a new ramp. I think I have some tape here. Oh, I have a whole bunch of tape here. And here is the end of the tape. I think it will be difficult for the car guys because the car is all like 1.5 kgs guys, so it will be very difficult for the car. Let's make it like this, and I think this is the perfect place to keep it. Straight on. Yes, straight. Let's cut it with scissors. Make sure not to get the bed sheet. Oops. Then and right here. Alright. Let's take another piece. Oops. As this. Alright. Let me check this guys. Where should it come? Right here. Oops. Alright. This comes. Oh, no. It's not straight, guys. Yeah. Oh, it came to here. And yeah, guys. This is and yeah, guys. Oh. Guys, I don't think the base is proper, so let's put a piece of tape right here and like here, guys, to make it more sturdy and not to let the tape come out. Let's keep something right here to make it more sturdier, because we need to see if this makes it. And let's see, guys, if it makes it. If it makes it, it's a very awesome one. I need to make it, guys, because this is the last time and it's the hardest one, guys. So this is the amp. Yes, this is perfect. Guys, check this out. Guys, and comment down below, what do you think if this ramp can take the weight of my RC car, mini RC car. So let's see, guys, if it can take the weight. Oops, the camera is falling. Yes, that's alright. Yes. Now, coming from the snow and up, it's perfect. No, the tray is not perfect. Right here. Just a perfect place. I have the remote. 3, 2, 1 second. One second, guys. Oops, the tape is not proper. Oops. And 3, 2, 1, go! It made it, guys! It made it! And it did not flip or something. It did not happen to my car, guys. It's very nice. Let's see if it can go up like this, guys. It need to go, guys. If it made it down, it need to go up. Let's see if it can. Oh, it almost made it, guys. See, it's hanging. Oops. The ramp just got stick together, but no way, we can make it up fine. Almost made it up, guys. Oops. Let's see if we can take it longer up. Alright, let's see the crane of the ramp. Go back. Alright, guys. I see you guys there. And as you can see the wheel right there. And let's see. Here's the wheel, guys. You can see it. Let's do it, guys. 3, 2, 1, go! It made it, guys! Whoa! Made it. Let's see if we can go backwards up, guys. If it goes, it's very awesome. Well, it didn't went frontwards, so I don't think it can go backward, but let's try. Go back. Oh no. It didn't make it. I was knowing, guys, I can't make it. And let's see if we can come from down to up backwards. From up to down, I mean, guys. And we can run up from here. 3, 2, 1. Oops. I don't know what happened. Just I have to try it again. I think the tray was not proper. The tray is not proper. I've checked it. Let's see if it can. The tape is all fine. Yes, fine. Whoa! It came, guys. It came down. Nothing happened to the tape, guys. Nothing happened to the tape. If you want to see how it came, just come with me, guys. Just keep. Yeah. I'm just gonna keep the camera right there, and you can see, guys. It comes from the store and up. The tray is perfect. Yes, guys. Now it comes from the store and up, and see this, guy. It can't go in. It can't do it, guys. It came. You saw it, guys. You saw that. Same, you saw that, guys. It was very awesome. I'm just going to show you how it came from front. I'm just going to show you the slow run up. This will be the last stunt of the RC car Asian stunts. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, guys. Did you saw it? Nothing happened with the ramp. If you commented that it can do it, you are right, guys. And who did not, who said it cannot, sorry, but it did it. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Hit the like button, scrub the subscribe button, press the bell notifications to get my new videos updated, and to that, bye bye, guys.